This is an update to my container garden area. Let's start with this Moro orange, which is a blood orange. The blood orange is a variety of sweet orange. The common varieties are Moro, like this one, and Sanguinello and Tarocco. It is native to Italy and Spain. It is often grown in containers and pruned to keep a small size. The fruit is noted for its red color. The red color is from a pigment called anthocyanin. It is the same flavonoid pigment that is found in blueberries and other fruits and vegetables, and it has the same health benefits. My tree hasn't fruited yet, but this is an example of one I got from the health food store. These are the blood oranges. As I said outside, they're not from my tree. My tree isn't fruited yet. I bought these at the health food store. Let's cut into one and see what it looks like inside and why it's called blood orange. Look at that deep, rich red color. I'm not sure which variety this is because at the health food store they just called it a blood orange. I also grow fig trees in containers, mostly to train as bonsai, but once in a while, one of the bigger ones produces a nice sized fruit. This variety is called brown turkey. Here are a few of the bigger bonsai fig trees that occasionally produce some fruit, like the one in the photo following this video clip. I cut it open and had it with my oats. Here is one that hasn't ripened yet. Let's take a tour of my container garden showing the variety of fruits and vegetables and bonsai plants and the different types of containers. These are two redwood raised beds I made for gardening so I don't have to bend over too much. See my playlist on gardening at the end of this video to see more about these redwood raised beds. Here I have a rosemary plant and a basil plant.